Magnificent.
Hello everyone, Omar, AC Power Comfort, out here in Stuart. Right now we're working on a 20-ton chiller. I mean, not a 20-ton chiller, a 20-ton York carrier package unit. A 20-ton carrier York package unit. A 20-ton York package unit. Anyways, as you can see, we're pretty much done with this coil. We're very done. We're out here in Stuart. I had a comment that this individual wanted to understand more in detail. I mean, the thing is, if you understand how the coil, evaporator as well as condenser side of the refrigeration works and how the refrigerant is flowing through it, you would know exactly how to isolate sections of this coil and derate it to at least give them cooling. So prime example is here. This is our discharge. I know you're familiar. This is discharge. This is suction, okay, hot gas. This is saturated vapor coming back to the compressor, okay. Anyways, and then this is our saturated liquid side, which then is condensed through the coil, coming back as a liquid, going to our TXV. So just to show you here, all right, this is a discharge, these two. One represents the upper, one represents the lower. Same here, one represents the lower, one represents the upper. Same here, upper, lower. Same here, upper, lower, okay? Upper and lower. So what I did was completely isolate this two rows here. So pretty much 50% right now has been completely isolated. I mean, not 50%, 25%. So this is a quarter right now that it's been isolated on this slab here. So this is 25, 50, 75, 100. Hope I'm saying that right. So if I'm not, then I'm an idiot. But anyways, again, this is 25, this is 50, 75, 100, okay? I had to isolate these two, so I completely removed this half right here of this coil. So from here on up, it's completely, it's no good. We have a few leaks in this, which I don't even want to be scrubbing and trying to get into here and break this apart and extra work. No need at all. So again, if you're familiar with how the refrigerant circuit runs, you will be able to do this to isolate condenser coils immediately, real fast, where then you can have the client up and running again. I know I'm talking here and these clients need AC right now. But anyways, I have a vacuum on this unit right now as well. Just want to make sure it's holding. Anyways, you're supposed to pressure test this, just to let you rookies out there know. I did not pressure test this, but I did pull a vacuum. I'm pretty certain and confident that I don't have any leaks beyond this point down. From here, all the way down and coming up through here. So 75% of this coil right now is still good for rejecting what was absorbed by the evaporator. So whatever sensible heat load was absorbed is being rejected through here and coming out. Just the very basics, some fundamentals of refrigeration. But anyways, as you can see, this tubing right here, this represents the upper, this represents the lower. This is the liquid line side, okay, that they both join together and come back right here. As long everything is happening simultaneously and goes to the TXV towards the evaporator coil. So I isolated this section. These two tubes go straight through all the way to the other side and coming up through here. U channel keeps going, flowing, and then turns, comes back, and goes through here. Comes back through here, okay? I hope you can see that finger of mine there. And same thing that's happening at the top is happening at the bottom section of this section of the coil is what I'm talking about. This quarter is 25% right now. So this quarter piece of this coil Same thing that's happening on the top is happening at the bottom. So it's going here, here, coming back, and then keeps going, and goes through here, comes back, and then goes through the other side and comes back and joins through here as a liquid, and then comes down all the way to the other side, and then comes through here, okay? Comes through here, this section here that I cut off, and comes back as a liquid. Same concept here, just one more time, just to show you. Both discharge, going up, going all the way back, coming back, going in, all the way back, coming back, in, and then it's transferring here and dropping down just like this, and then coming through here, joining the bottom section of this, coming in and joining as a liquid. So all these technicians that like to put holes in these coils don't need to. If you know how to do the refrigerant, if you know how to if you know the flow of refrigerant and you understand the coils, you'll be able to accomplish this on the evaporator section and on the condenser section. I did it with the evaporator on a train, 20 ton. I did it on a chiller, air cooled, 174 ton, which clients are really trying to budget right now. They don't have the budget money to start replacing coils. I mean, repairs are awesome, my friend. Repairs are really, really awesome, because you know, honestly, I'll do repairs all day, and give another avenue to the client or time to pretty much have money or have that budget money to go ahead and save, you know, save, and then when it comes time to change these units, the budget money is there. It's, you know, I mean, a cost like this, you're probably looking at a thousand, maybe 1,500 in this repair, or less. I would say between $1,000 to $1,200 in this repair, versus a company coming out and saying, you know what, your coil is in really bad shape, there's nothing else we can do. It's impacted, of course, but they're gonna say either you're gonna have to replace it, or you're gonna have to change out the unit, or they might end up saying, you know what, it's an obsolete unit, obsolete coil, they don't have it no more, and it's R22, they don't make it no more, so you're gonna have to change it. Good way, don't get me wrong, of making money, but you know what, it's about keeping the relationship with your client and being honest with them. So, you know, just, I want my viewers out there to understand, it's not a fast way. I know I'm rambling here, but we have to make sure that we treat our clients fair, because contractors have been given a bad name out here in this field, and it's not a good thing. But sometimes it makes it hard for us, those that are honest, you know, try to win the client's trust. Anyways, I know I'm just rambling, talking stuff that really is not necessary to be talking, but you know, I want my clients to understand, and those that are out there that want to learn and do the right thing to keep a client, you know, because they're the ones that put bread on your table. Anyways, AC Power and Comfort, I'm Omar. Again, this is something very basic when it comes to refrigeration, coil repairs and leaks and stuff of that nature. You can visit my website, www.acpowercomfort.com. That's www.acpowercomfort.com.